Hi all, welcome to Tech Pro Begin. It's been almost 10 years since Java 8 was released, but still interviewer definitely asked to write a code using Java 8 functional programming style during an interview. So in this video, we are going to discuss commonly asked Java 8 programming questions and step-by-step answer to those questions. Just to inform you guys, we are going to focus only on programming questions and those we will solve using Java 8 Stream API and functional programming. So that's clear. We are not going to see any theory like what feature we got as part of Java 8, what is Lambda expression, functional interface, and how it works. So we'll focus on programming questions, how to solve those questions, but wherever basic knowledge is needed to understand and solve the question, I will try to explain it. So without further delay, let's start with the first question. So first question is, given an int array, how to arrange given number in ascending order and return the list. So question is very straightforward. We need to sort the array in ascending order and return the list. So in the answer, we expect like this: 2, 4, 7. It should be in an increasing order. So let's jump to IntelliJ IDEA and solve this question using Java 8 functional programming style. So this is the given array. What we saw the array in the PPT presentation, the same array I have written here. So let me convert. So in the array, okay, let me write array dot. So in the array, so we need to convert the given array into stream. So arrays.stream taken as a array as a argument. So let me take array as a argument. Now we need to sort. So let me write in, okay, let me write here itself. I need to apply sorting because in the question asked is sorting. So sorted method is sort the given array in natural order. Natural order means it will sort in ascending order. Then we need to collect into list. So there is a collect is a terminal operation available in the Stream API that help us to collect the result into list. So collectors dot to list. Okay. So this is the sorted is the intermediate operation, and this is the collect is the terminal operation. But why this showing error? Okay, got it. So in the questions given is a primitive int array. See, this is a int, is a primitive int array, and we are collecting result into list, and list is a collection, and we know collection always deal with the object. So somewhere we need to collect that primitive into object. So in the stream there is a box function available in the Stream API. This box help to create a primitive value into wrapper 1. So here we are with the help of this box. So you know in the Java there is a boxing and unboxing. So boxing means converting primitive 1 to object 1. Unboxing means converting object 1 into primitive ones. But here our requirements, we need to collect the result into list. So we need to, so in the questions the given is a primitive array, so we need to convert into object array. Okay, so with the help of box we have done that. So let me collect this in the list. So this is the ascending order list, ascending array list. Let me print it. Let me print it how it come. Let me run and let's validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer. We got the list, and the list element in available in ascending order only, 2, 4, 7, and the highest element is 120. So let's see presentation. Yeah, the answer is matching. So here the first we need to understand here. So as part of this Java 8 programming, we do we did some around 4 operation. We convert that int array into stream, then we convert it into primitive into object one, then sort, then again we apply sorting, then we collect. So sorted, box is an intermediate operation, sorted also intermediate operation, collect is the terminal operation. So what is intermediate operation, what is collector collect, and the way we return is the around more than 3 operation we have written in a single statement. So this basic concept we need to understand. So what is intermediate operation, what is collector, and what is stream chaining. So with the help of stream chaining we can write multiple operation in a single statement. So let's spend some time to understand the basic concept. So what is stream? So intermediate operation are the operation which whenever we apply some intermediate operation which will return another stream. Okay, let's consider I have a distinct, so list of there are many intermediate operation available in the stream, but I have list out some here. Okay, so distinct is the one kind of stream operation. Filter, so distinct is kind of if you want a distinct element you can apply. So filter, if you want, as per your business condition, you want to filter some result on the basis of your business scenario, like a filter internally use predicate. Predicate is again the predefined functional interface. So we need to pass filter to some boolean expression. That expression always return true or false. On the basis of that the stream result will get filter. So limit, if you want to limit something, you want some specific number of element only, you can limit. You need to pass some specific figure here. Map internally use a function interface. Function interface help us to convert one form to another form. Okay, so this also again the peak is, if you want to pick element, uppermost element, you can use peak. The skip, you want to skip certain element from the stream, you can apply this skip intermediate operation. Sorted, just now we apply. Sorted is just help to sort in a natural order. Okay, so I am saying here these are the intermediate operation, and whenever we apply it always return another stream. But let's validate here. Okay, let's consider here, let me validate distinct. See distinct return type is stream only. Let me apply skip also return another stream. And one more, already we apply sorted, so sorted also returning another stream. Okay, I think you are super clear with the what is intermediate operation. The intermediate operation is the operation whenever we apply particular function that will apply another stream. Okay, so next go to next see what is terminal operation. So again there are a lot of terminal operation in the stream. So I have listed some of the terminal operation, like all match, any match, find any, find first, non match, for each, and reduce. Also I think I forgot to add here collect. See collect also is kind of a intermediate operation. So let me validate that. Okay, see let collect is returning something. I'm getting the result, actual result. Collector, what is terminal operation? Whenever we apply terminal operation it will give actual result. Once we apply terminal operation it will perform an actual operation. Okay, so and once we apply terminal operation, then after that you cannot apply stream operation. So that's thumb rule. See stream, if I apply stream here, see I'm getting error. So once you perform terminal operation, after that you cannot use the stream API. Stream intermediate operation like this. See so stream are not reusable. Just I have added something. So in the second sentence you can focus on stream cannot be reused after calling terminal operation, and stream implementation may throw illegal state exception if detect that stream is being used. Okay, so once you okay, so that's clear. Once apply terminal operation you cannot apply the again you cannot apply the stream operation there. Okay, now again we need to understand what is stream chaining. See in the same statement we apply more than 4 operation, more than 3 operations. So what is stream chaining? So I have added one more slide for the stream chaining. See, stream chaining is like, see below, there are some expression has been written in the Java itself. Number, we got a number, then we apply, convert it into stream, then stream, we apply filter, is the intermediate operation. That filter giving us some odd number, and for that odd number again we apply some another intermediate operation, that is map, which convert one from to another. So whatever we got as part of filter, we got a some odd number, we are making square of those number and passing to next stage. And then after the map, then we apply reduce. Reduce is just sum up of all the given number. So here also one more thing you need to understand. So as part of all the intermediate operation, you know, intermediate operation internally use internal iterators. So here as part of this, see, as part of this, you know, here we got the set of array of number, it is in some random order. So here we convert into sequence of number with the help of arrays.stream. Now here filter. So as part of filter, each number getting iterated with the help of internal iterator. First 1 is coming, then 2 is coming, then 3 is coming, and as part of filter we are validating if x modulo 2 is equal to 2. So modulo is the remainder operator. So if we apply modulo operator on particular number and with a 2, if remainder is 0, then that will be a even number. If remainder is other than 0, that will be odd number. So here as part of all 4 number come to filter operation, but with the help of for this expression we got only 3, because 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. So it satisfies the condition, so it come as a result of that filter expression. Now in next step, map is an intermediate operation. Here again each element getting iterated. So for each element we are making square here, and we got the result like 1 is square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, and reduce, we are summing of all the number. Each number getting iterated, we are summing and we are getting result. So in single statement we perform 4 operations, but converted into a random array, into stream, then filter, then map and reduce. So with the help of Java Stream API, we can write a very compact code and more readable code. So with the help of this statement, you can clearly understand, we convert stream, then filter, then map and reduce. So that's how this you know, and this kind of one statement and compact code industry widely accepted. Okay, so that's the reason interviewer definitely ask question on stream API. If you are comfortable to write the code and all that, then interview will be more happy. Okay, let's jump to, so before Java 8, you know, let's consider this is the function. Okay, let's consider this is the function. Just I'm typing here a function like something we got, and if you want to convert, let's consider this statement only. First you need to convert into stream. Okay, first you need to convert into stream. Then in second statement, you know, I'm explaining the traditional way of coding. Before Java 8 we used to write like this, then we need to convert into box in second statement, as part of second statement. In another statement again you need to sort that. Okay, then again for we need to collect something in the list, as part of another statement, collect the result. Okay, so as part of, so before Java 8 we used to like this. Okay, we used to write like this, because so before Java 8, as per traditional programming, we need to write, means it will take around 4 line of code or 4 statement, I would say. You know, in Java we close the statement, one statement with the help of semicolon. So in the same line I return the 4 operation. Okay, so this way we can write a very compact code and more readable code. Okay, so I think you are super clear with you know, what I explained, like what is intermediate operation, what is terminal operation, and what is stream chaining. These are the basic thing you should know Okay, so I think we need to jump on another question. Given an int array, how to arrange a given number in descending order and return the list. The question is very similar like a previous question. In the previous question, the ask was ascending order. Now here the descending order. So we can, okay, let me add something here. Find descending order list. Let me copy as it is this, because we need a change at one place only. So just copying, we can save some time. Instead of descending, we can have a ascending here. Ascending order list. So let me do this. Let me copy this as it is here. Now the ask is ascending order. Sorry, this is the ascending. Here we need the descending. Sorry, descending. The same we can write here. So as part of this question, we need a change at one place. See, so here, so we need to inform our, our sorted method. I need the result in descending order, not the ascending one. So we need to pass one comparator. So comparator, if you apply this reverse, so you will get the result in descending order. So here, so guys, if you don't know what is comparator, what is natural sorting order, what is comparator is, we can apply comparator on different field. So there is a comparable and comparator. Here is the big concept. Okay, so if you don't know what is comparator, comparable, please let me know in the comment. I will create a detailed video and I will share with you guys. Okay, so let me print this result. Cool, we got the expected answer. We got the number in descending order. So let me jump to another question. So we got the expected answer. How to sum up of number? How to sum of number of given array and return the sum? So we need to iterate all the element. We need to sum up all element and return the result like this. So here we need to sum up of all the element, and 285 we need to return as a result. Jump to IntelliJ IDE. So again, let me add some comment. Sum of numbers of given array and return the result. So again, I need to convert that arrays dot array given array into stream. So this is the int array. Okay, so int means primitive array. And one more thing here, so as part of int stream, if I pass int array in primitive array, then I will get see, for int array I got the int stream. For if I pass a long array, then I will get the long stream. For double, I will get the double. So, and in int stream we already have, as per our requirement, we need to sum up of the given element of array. So there is a sum method. We can directly utilize this sum method to get our result. So let me sum up of element of given array. Let me print it. Let me run and validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer. Okay, now jump to next question. How to find large number from the given array? So here let me tell you guys, as part of this session, we are going to solve around 20 questions. First, we will solve basic programming questions, but here the complexity will increase in the further questions. Here, just like to solve the easy, means solving easy question approach will get used in solving complex problem. So here whatever we are saying, that easy question, that easy question solving approach will get used in solving complex problems. So be alert and be focused. Okay, so this question is how to find the largest number from given array. Again, question is very straightforward. From the given array we need to find the largest number. So in the answer we expect like this. Go to IntelliJ, solve this question. Let me add some, find the largest number, okay, fine. So arrays, again the same exercise, we need to convert given array into stream, pass that int array. Okay, and again we pass the int primitive int array, and primitive int, again we got in stream only here. Okay, we got in stream only. See, in the second highlighted is in stream. So in stream again we have a one method max. We can utilize this to get our result. Let me collect this. Okay, so this return as a optional. So let me collect as a get as a int. Okay, so let me int. See, one more thing. So I converted that array into int stream, and max result get as a int. So I got primitive value only. Okay, because we nowhere we converted into our primitive one into object one. So we got the int value only. So let me print max. Let's validate. So let me run to validate the result. Cool, 120 is the expected, and we got the same. Let me, okay, next question, how to find small number from the given array. So now array is very small, so we can visualize. I think 2 is the smallest number. So in the answer we expect like this only. So the question is very similar to previous one. So let me copy this as it is. So we can save some time. Instead of largest we can have a smallest number. So instead of max we can have mean number, and here instead of, again in stream we have one utility method which help to get the minimum number. So that minimum number we can utilize here. Let me print it. So 2 is the expected answer. Let's see. Cool, we got the 2 as an answer. Next, jump to next question. How to remove first 5 elements from the given array and return the list of remaining element. So question complexity is getting increased. Okay, so here we need to remove first 5 element and return the list of remaining element. So here, you know, as part of that at the time of explaining intermediate operation, there is a skip method. With the help of skip we can remove certain number from the given array. Okay, so here we are going to use that terminal operation skip to remove the first 5 element, and then we'll return the list of remaining element, just like this. Let's see the step by step in the presentation itself. So first we are going to, as part of first step, we are going to remove the first highlighted element, okay, and then as part of next step, whatever remaining elements are there, we are going to return as a list. Okay, let's see in the IntelliJ how to solve this. So again convert that arrays, convert given array into stream. Again I need to pass, and as part of I need to skip first 5 element. So in the question it asks first 5 elements skip, then I need to collect that into collector to list. Again it is giving warning because I am collecting into list, but I need to convert into primitive into object one, so I need to apply a box. Okay, good. Okay, so let me collect this result. Process list, let me type here process list, because we are doing some, we have process the given collection. Okay, so process the list. Let me print it. So before process, see, I can clearly tell you, so this is the given array. See, Java Stream API, stream chaining is very, more readable. So as part of first, let me do here something like this. Okay, see, as part of this statement, we have this result. Okay, and here, as part of this statement, we are removing this first 5 element. So as part of this expression, we will have this result, and the same result we are passing to next stage. Okay, so let me run this. Let's validate the result. So 80, 70, yeah, cool. We got the expected answer. Next, jump to next question. Given an array of integer, how to find even number available in the given array and return the list of even number. Again, that is very straightforward. We need to find the even number and return the list of those even numbers. So first of all, what is even number? Even number is the number which we can divide into two equal parts. Divide into two equal parts means it will be divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means we will get a remainder as a 0. Okay, so what I explained, see, the number that is divisible by 2 and generate the remainder is 0, that called even number. So as part of example, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the even numbers. So in the given array, these are the even number, 4, 18, 10, 16, like this. Okay, so in the result we expect like this. Jump to IntelliJ. Again, let me add some comment. Find even number list from given array. Again, same exercise, we need to convert given array into stream, then box, because we need to collect into list, so we need to boxed, convert primitive into object one. Now we need to, what we need to do, even. So at the time of explaining stream operation, there is a filter one stream operation available in the stream. Filter, what filter do? We need to pass some expression as per our business logic, and that expression will return true or false. On the basis of that, filter will filter the result for our business condition. So here let me add filter. Okay, we need to filter. So here the number, each time, filter internally use internally iterator, one by one number will come, and here we need to add one condition. So number modulo 2 is equal to 0. If, say, modulo is the remainder operator, it always return remainder. Okay, so number modulo 2, if we get the remainder is equal to 0, then we'll consider that number will be a even number. So once then we collect that result into collector to list. So let me collect the result, even number list. Let me print it. So without running, I can tell you how the program will execute, like the approach. Okay, so here the given is this array. So here we'll have this. Okay, as part of this filter condition, what will happen? So here we are filtering the even number. So here as part of this statement will not get this. 17 also will not come here, 11 also will not come here, and the same result we are passing to next step. Okay, so let me run this. So we expect this list in the result. 4, 18, cool, we got the expected answer. Let's see to next question. How to find the odd number from the given array and return the odd number list. So in this question again, very similar to previous question. In the previous question, ask was even number, now here odd number. So odd number is the number which we cannot divide into two equal part. Cannot divide into two equal part means if we divide into 2, the number divided by 2, then we will get a remainder other than 0. So we call that number as odd number. So odd number are those numbers that cannot be divided into two equal parts. It means odd number is not divisible by 2. So here as part of example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, those are the odd number, and we can see 1 we cannot convert into two equal parts, 3 also we cannot, so those are the even numbers. So in the given array, these are the odd numbers. 7, 17, 11 are the odd number, and in the result we expect like this. So let's jump to IntelliJ and we can copy as it is. Okay, because the question is very similar, just here instead of even we can write here odd. In the odd, so here again odd, the same we can print here. So but to get the odd number list, we need to change one condition. So number modulo 2 not is equal to 0. So not is equal to 0 means that is odd number. So here as part of this, so as part of this we will have this array, and for this expression 4 is the odd. Again this will also skip, this also will filter. So as part of this expression we will get this result, and the same result we are passing in next step. Let me run program to validate the result. Cool, 7, 17, 11 or those are odd number only. Cool. So jump to next question. Given an array of integer, how do you find second minimum number? The question complexity is increased. Here the ask is, they are not asking find the maximum number. Okay, they are asking the second minimum number. Okay, so to solve these questions, we need to sort the given array into ascending orders, because they are asking second minimum number. So we need to sort the given array into ascending order, and with the help of skip, you know, in intermediate operation there is a skip method. With the help of skip we can remove first largest element, and from the remaining element we can fetch the first element with the help of find first method. You know, in intermediate operation we already saw there is a find first method. Okay, so let's see step by step the same in the presentation. First we need to get the sorted ascending array like this, 2, 4, 7. Okay, then we need to skip the first element, that is the first minimum number of sorted list. This 2 we need to remove this. Once we remove 2, then after the remaining list we will find the first, and that first is this number. So in the next step get the first element, and that first element is 4 from the previous list. Okay, so in the answer we expect second minimum number is 4. So let's jump to IntelliJ and solve this question. So I need to convert given array into stream. This is the given array, convert into box, because we need to collect that result into, okay, no need to convert into this, but better to convert because other upcoming method might need the object only. Okay, so as part of sorted, the sorted, we need to sort. Okay, and sorted will give result in ascending order. Ascending order means natural sorting order only. Okay, and sorted, then we need to remove first. So to remove first, we can use intermediate operation skip here. Skip first element, and once remove, then we can find first element again. That is a intermediate operation. See this also find first. So find first is the not a intermediate operation, sorry guys. Find first is the terminal operation, because find first giving the actual result. Okay, so find first, and in the find first get result as a get the result. Okay, so let me evaluate each step. So as part of this, we will get this. Okay, and we need to sort. I already sorted somewhere, so this is the sorted list we'll get here. And for this step, we are removing first minimum number. Okay, and then in next step we are fetching only first number from the previous list. So this will not come here. So because we are fetching only first element. So as part of result, we will get here 4. Let's collect the result. Second minimum number. Let me print it. Okay, let me add some comment. Find second minimum number from given array. Let me run it. Cool, we got the expected answer. Jump to next question. Given an array of integer, how to find second largest? Question is very straightforward, just like a previous question. In the previous question, asked what? Second minimum. Now here second largest. So again we need to find the sorted list, but here we need to find sorted list in descending order first. Okay, and from descending order we need to skip the first largest element. Then we need to, from the remaining list, we need to fetch second largest element. Okay, let's see step by step in the presentation. First, get the descending sorted list, just like this, 120, then less, 18, 17, like this. And then as part of next step, we need to remove first largest element. 120 we remove, and from the remaining list we need to fetch first element. Okay, and in the result we expect 80. So jump to next IntelliJ. So let me copy this as it is, because the question is very similar. So second minimum, so here second largest, instead of minimum, second max number, and this second max number, let me print it here. But here we need to tell to our sorted intermediate operation, I want the result in descending order. So we need to pass one comparator dot reverse order. So let me evaluate the result for each step. So this is the for this statement we will have this result, and for this let me copy. We are somewhere already converted into descending order. So as part of this step we will get result this. Okay, let me comment it. And from this step, in next step, we are skipping first element from the previous list. So this element will not have here. And okay, sorry, so we are skipping first element only, okay, from the previous list. So first element we skip, then 120 will get removed and remaining element will be here like this, okay. And from as part of next step, find first. So in next step we are fetching first element from the previous list. So here I think I need to close this first. I need to open this, okay. So here as part of this, from the previous list I am fetching only first element, okay. So here also I get the result like this. Let me validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer, we got the 80. Jump to next question. Find the first non-repeated character from the given string using Java Stream API. Question complexity got increased. So they have the given string is I like take pro begin video. So from take pro begin video means from this given string we need to find first non-repeated character. So to solve this question we need to think the approach, step by step approach we need to understand. So first non-repeated character. So here first we need to find the occurrence of each character. Then as part of next step we need to find all the non-repeated element. Non-repeated element means whatever character available single time, those we need to find. Then as part of third step we need to find first non-repeated character. Let's see step by step in the presentation. First we need to find the occurrence of each character like this. So I available 4 times, L available 1 times, K, and the third element is I already find that element as part of first character, so no need to calculate again. K is available 1 times, E is 4 times, T is 1 times. So you can understand here, you need to be focused here. So in what order we got the occurrence of each element? The character available, the character available in the order, the same order we got the occurrence of each character, okay. So that is very important here. So we need to maintain the order of each character. So in the as part of first step I is available 4 times, then we got the occurrence of L only, not the other element. So we need to maintain the order, then only we'll find the first non-repeat. Otherwise if you don't maintain order, we'll get a difficulty to find first non-repeated character. So for first step we got the occurrence of each character. As part of next step, find out all non-repeated character. So in next step we got the all character which are available single time. So here we got the map like a key value pair. Key is a character and a value is the occurrence of that character. See like that, okay. In next step we need to find first non-repeated character. So we are maintaining the order of character just like whatever the character available in the given string, the same order we are maintaining in the our result. So we can, in the next step we can just find the first character from the repeated the previous list, okay. First not repeated, okay. So as part of third step, find first non-repeated character, and that in the answer we expect L is the first non. So let's see one more time. So we got the occurrence of each character. Then in next step we find non-repeated character, means means the character which are available single time only. And next step we find the first non-repeated character, and that is the L. Because why we consider that is the first? Because we maintain the order of the character which are available in the given string, okay. So L is we expect in the answer. Jump to IntelliJ IDE and solve this question. Let me add some user friendly comment. So find first non-repeated character from given string, and given string is given string is I like, take, pro, begin, video. So we need to solve this question step by step. So we need to convert the given string into stream. So first let me convert given string into string array. So with the help of given string split without space, we can convert into string array, string str array. Let me print it how it's coming. Let me run it. Okay, I need to print. The way of printing is like this. So this is something complex question. We need to understand step by step. Okay, so we got a string array like this, means the character which are available in the string, we got the each character as a string. Okay, and so we got the string array like this. So we need to convert this string array into stream. So arrays dot stream. So we can pass this array. Okay, instead of this I can directly right click this. Okay, here we got the stream of array, and as part of next step we need to find the occurrence of each character. Okay, so in the in stream there is a as part of terminal operation, we have in the collect we can pass the collector dot group by. With the help of that we can find the occurrence of each character in the in the DB. For DB operation, if you want particular how many order customer has placed, so we order by customer. So for that, how many order customer place we get, just like this. Here we have a group by, means stream API provide the provision to get the result like DB operation. So let's me do that. Collect collectors group by. So here I need to pass char. Let me char. Okay, char only. Let me type this group by char. Okay, okay, let me collect this. So it's come. Let me as of now just char list. Let me print it how it is coming. So this is very something complex question. We need to understand step by step only, then only we can understand the solving approach here. Let me print it. Okay, so here as part of this group by we got this map, and map key is character and the list of character. So here as part of this, B is the character, I got the list of B. C is the character, list of C character. So here E available 4 times in the given string, so I got the key is a E element. Okay, character and the list of E character. So but in the as part of first step we expect like this. Okay, I miss key value pair like this. Okay, so count, we don't want the list here, we want the count, means character count, character count. So currently we are in first step only. We are in a process of getting the first step only. Okay, so let me do that. So we got the expected this function dot identity here. Function dot identity means identity of each character of the given stream. Okay, so here need to collector into counting. Yeah, collector in the counting. Let me print this. Okay, this is missing. Oh, wait. Okay, so collector count means it giving me long value, not the list. So here we need to change this into long. Let me print it. Cool. I think we got the expected answer. Character B is present one time, C is one times, D is one times, E 4 times, but it not maintain the order. I expect in the this as part of this, I expect I should be first, then L should be first, then K should be first. So why it is giving like this? Okay, got it. See, this group by default return the hash map. Okay, and we know hash map don't preserve the insertion order. So here we need to tell to our group by I need to present the insertion order. So we need to provide one collection which maintain the insertion order. So in the 2D collection, what collection is available who maintain insertion order? So as per my knowledge, linked hash map maintain the insertion order. Let me print this. Now I expect the answer like available in the our presentation. Cool. We got the I at first place, L is second place, and we got the correct order as well. Okay, at last D is equal to 1, at last D is equal to 1. Okay, we got. So first step is clear. Okay, now as part of second step, find out all repeated character. So from this map I need to see map is having entry set. Okay, I will explain sometimes. I will spend some time how map internally works. So from entry set we need to convert into stream, and that stream we need to filter. Okay, filter by what? We need to pass one expression, and we need to pass expression like that will filter the character which are available single time. So here as part of filter is the intermediate operation. So here the char is each character will iterate here. Okay, and from that okay, no, here as part of filter we will get an entry here. Okay, because from map we got the entry, and we are converting entry into stream of entry. As part of filter, here I will get the entry, and from entry I will check the entry is the key value pair. Okay, so we need to filter. So I need to check the entry who has value, the particular entry value greater than, I need to find first non-repeated character. So entry value means the character who has a present single time. So I need to check here I need to check the value of character means entry is the key value pair. The particular key, the value should be 1 only. Okay, so here I will get, and here I need to find first here, because from this result I need to find first. Okay, and from this here I will get the entry, and from here I will get the key. Okay, this is the I think result. Let me collect it. This I will explain one more time how it is coming actually, because this is something complex question. Let me run first. here we expect the first non-repeated character is GL. Cool, we got the expected answer, but let me evaluate the result. Okay, so as part of this group by function, so as part of this we got this result. Okay, first now let me Java 8 is provide the provision for streaming. So instead of this, again convert it into map. This map I can remove this like this. I can directly, we know here we got the map, so from here itself we can convert that map into entry set with this this to entry set. Okay, cool. Okay, so as part of this step we got here this answer. Let me copy it properly. Why I'm not able to copy it? Copy this. Okay, so as part of this expression we got this, okay, count of occurrence, because here we maintain the we pass the linked hash map which help to maintain insertion order. So as per till this point we got the result like this, and in further step what we are doing, we are converting entry into stream. So here also we get the result like this only, and from here we are filtering the, here each entry is the key value pair. Each entry is this is one entry, this is one entry, this is one entry. So each pair is a entry, and entry is a key value pair. I is the key, value is the 4. L is the key, 1 is the value. And this step we are filtering a entry. Which entry? The entry key has a value, and that value will be 1 only. So here as part of this we will get like this. Okay, I will not come here because key has a 4 times occurrence. E also will not come here because E has a 4 times occurrence. I also this O also not come because O has a 2 times occurrence. So as part of this we will get this, we will have this result, and from this result we are finding first. So who is the first in that entry? This is the first. L is available in the first, so this will complete remove, and we will get this entry only. And this entry key is the L, value is the 1. And from this entry in next step we will got the same, and from this entry, okay, this is the complete entry. Okay, from this entry we are fetching only key. What is the key? L is the key. So here we will get the L is the answer. So let me collect this into this string only. String. We already validated the result, I think. Okay, so we already validated the result. But here you need to understand how entry set come from this map. Till this point we got this. This is the map key value pair, and from map we extract the entry set, and entry set we convert into stream. Then we have filtered the entry, then find the first result. Find the first result means who has a value 1. Okay, so let me tell you the internal structure of map. So map. Let me tell you first map here actually. Okay, I think I have forgot to add that PPT. Okay, so this is first non-repeated. Okay, so okay, let's jump to next. Actually map is a kind of by default in map there is a 16 bucket. In each bucket there is a linked list, a place. A linked list is a set of entry. Okay, so in each bucket you will find the entry key value pair like that. So that's the reason we are extracted entry from this map, and for that entry we filter. Okay, jump to next question. Find the first repeated character from the given string using Java 8 Stream API. First repeated character. Okay, first repeated character. So the question is similar like a previous question. In previous question asked was first non-repeated character, but here the first repeated character. The solving approach will be same to this question, just like a previous question. We need to get the occurrence of each character like this. Okay, how many types each present, and we need to maintain the insertion order also. And now here the first repeated character. Okay, so first repeated character means in the next step we need to filter all the entry which are available. Entry means the character which is available more than one time. So here in next step we need to filter those character. So we have filter out. So I is available 4 times, E is available 4 times, O is available 2 times. In the next step we need to find the first repeated character. So we maintain the insertion order just like a given string character is present. So from this step, this step we can easily fetch the first character which is available in the previous list, just like this. So I is the first repeated character we expect in the result. Let's go to IntelliJ and solve this question. Okay, so we can copy as it is. Let me copy this only. So this is first non-repeated key, first non-repeated key. This is the first repeated key. We can print this as it is. But at one place we need a change. Okay, so here we need to filter the result. We need to filter the entry here. The entry key value has more than 1. So here we need to change the conditions. Okay, greater than is equal to 1. So here from this result, so till this point our logic is same, but for this question we need to filter the result. Filter result for what? We need to, here we are filtering entry, and that entry key has a so we need to filter the entry who has a value is more than 1. So I is available more than once. So okay, so here I will not have this value. Okay, and O also available more than 2 times. Okay, see, entry we are checking entry value more than once. So I is available more than once, 2 is more than once. So B also G 1. Okay, I think 2 character only. I think we miss 1. Okay, E also available more than once, so E also will come in the same order. So here we need to maintain the order. So for maintaining order, here we use the linked hash. That is very important point. Okay, without this we cannot get the actual expected result. Okay, so here from this we are fetching first character which are available more than 1 times. From here we will get the same result. And for this next step we are fetching only key, and key is entry. For this entry, this will get complete entry. From this entry we are fetching only key. So here I expect the answer is I. Let's validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer. First repeated key is, means instead of key we can say character. I think you are super clear with this question, and this question was a little tricky, so we spent good amount time. I think you are super clear. Still, if you have any problem or you are not able to understand particular step, please let me know in the comment. I will try to explain this. I will try to answer in the comment itself. Okay. Okay, let me go to next question. Okay, now so in this presentation we can see, let's see some difficult custom object scenario based coding question. So till now we saw predefined data structure, means predefined data types. We apply stream API on predefined data types like a string, integer, like that. Okay, but in real time we get the custom object like this: department, employee, discount. These are the some kind of custom object. Okay, so in real time we get the scenario like we got the list of employee and we need to do some processing on top of that custom object list, custom list. So how we'll do that? Okay, so that also we can do. We can apply streaming there for smooth processing and for compact code and more readable code. So how we will do that? That we are going to see now. And these are the some critical question or difficult question. Such question generally asked to experienced candidate who has more than 3 to 4 year experience. Okay, let's go to let's see. So here, as part of custom object, we are going to have employee object which has a 4 field like employee ID name, department ID, and salary, and we have a argument constructors. So we are preparing. So in the next PPT we can see we have this given list of employees. So we have prepared 4 employee. Okay, so in employee ID, employee having what field? Employee ID, employee name, department name, the employee belong to, and salary. So in the same way we prepare this. Employee ID is 1, employee name 1, department is IT, and salary is this. Just like for other employee we have filled the data. Okay, so let's see the question. Find out how many employees are there in each department and return the list of each department. Okay, so let's consider the below is the list of employee. So these are the list of employee. From this list of employee we need to find out the list of employee available in each department. So how we'll do that? Let's go to IntelliJ and see. Okay, so in the answer, at least in the answer we expect like this. Okay, CS having 2 departments. See, employee ID 1 belong to IT department and employee ID 8 belong to IT department. So in IT department we expect employee ID 1 and employee ID 8, and in the CS department the CS employee ID 3 belong to CS department and employee 9 belong to CS department. So for CS department we expect employee list would be 2, and those employee are employee ID 3 and employee ID 9. So we expect the answer like this only. Okay, jump to IntelliJ ID. So first I need to get the list of custom object, then only I can apply streaming there. So for this I created one employee model object with the same field which have shown in the presentation, and we have argument constructor, and in the same class I have prepared the one employee list. Okay, this employee list, and this employee list we have prepared the 4 employee object, like, okay, which are available just now we saw in the PPT. The same way I prepare here as well. So I need to get this list of employee so that I can apply streaming there. So in employee object there is just a static method. From this static method let me return the employee list, and let me add a comment. In the question they ask how many employee lists are available in each department. Find the list of employee of each department, of each department. So let me get the employee list. Okay, already we have a list. We need to convert into stream. Okay, and stream as part of first step. So we expect like this. Okay, so here again we are going to use, means on the basis of department we need to find the list. So no, in the for DB operation, if you want the list of thing on particular field, then we apply group by there. The just like that we apply, we are going to use group by to find the list of employee for a particular department. So let me collect is the terminal operation, and in collectors we can use the group by, and group by on the basis of what? On the basis of department. So for this department, and collect into sorry, to collection, here we expect like list. Okay, I think with this we will get a result. Okay, let me collect this result. Okay, list, why I am getting grouping by employee ID here. Okay, this not expected. Okay, let me collect this department EMP list. Let me print it. Let me run to validate the result. Okay, why I'm giving this for collector? Okay, one race is missing here. Let me run it. Okay, let me, for more visualization, let me add here result like. Okay, so this is the CS employee belong to, then this second employee, then this third employee, then this second employee. Okay, so here for this CS department we got 2 employee. See, this is the array. Okay, CS employee list, and for IT department we got this list, employee ID 1 and employee ID 8. See, employee ID 1 and employee ID 8. For CS we got employee ID 3 and employee ID 9. So we got the expected answer. Okay, I think let's jump to next question. How to find out how many employee count are there in each department? So in the question is similar, just like a previous question. So in the previous question the ask was department who has a list of employee. Okay, now here the ask is we need to find the count of employee for a particular department. So in the answer we expect like this: CS having 2 employee, IT having 2 employees. Just I think I can easily just copy it as it is, because the question is very similar. At one place only need a change. Find the count of employee instead of list, count of employee of each department. So here in the EMP count, let me print it. Oh shit, let me print it quickly. So here at one place only change needed, like instead of list, no need to collect into list. Instead of list we need to counting of employees. So in the collector we have a counting. Okay, so if we change here counting, so here we will get the long value, not a list. So long. Okay, let me run it. Cool, we got the access. CS department having 2 employee, IT department having 2 employee. So here we got the result like this. Okay, jump to next question. How to find the employee who has a maximum salary? The question complexity got increased here. Okay, here we need to find out the employee who has a maximum salary. Okay, so given list of employee. Okay, so here to solve this question we need to sort the employee we need to sort. So here we need to understand step by step how we'll solve this problem. Okay, so to solve this, first we need to sort the employee, means we need to get the list of employee in descending order. By what? By salary. We need to get the descending order employee list by salary, because in the question asked like employee who has a maximum salary. Once we get the descending order list of employee by salary, then from that list we can find the first employee with the help of find first intermediate operation. Let's see step by step. Okay, first we need to get the sort the list of employee in descending order by salary. So here, so once we applied sorting on the basis of salary, okay, and we here as part of this we got the this result. So employee ID come first, because why? Because employee ID 9 has a maximum salary, and that is a 1500. Then second highest salary is 1200, that is employee ID 3. Then third, then fifth is fourth is employee ID 8 has the lowest salary 800. Okay, at the next step we need to find the first employee from the previous sorted list. Okay, and that is the first employee is employee ID 9 who has a 1500 salary, and this would be our result. So in the result we expect employee ID 9 as a result. So jump to IntelliJ IDEA and solve the question. So I have already EMP. Let me add comment. Find employee who has maximum salary. Okay, so that EMP list, then we need to convert into stream. Then in stream, what is step? We need to get the descending order. So you know, in stream we have a sorted method. So we need to sort on the basis of what? We need to sort on the basis of salary. Okay, so here we need to pass comparator, you know, comparator, and what is salary data type? Let me check. Salary data type, I think double only. Salary data type is double. So here we need to pass comparator. We need to comparing double. Here we need to pass employee, and here on the basis of what we need to sort? On the basis of salary. So salary get, why I'm not getting, okay, double, this is a method reference, get salary. Then we need to collect result into list. Okay, but here but we have applied sorted and we pass the comparator, and for comparator for sorted method we inform we need a sorting on the basis of get, but sorted method by default provides sorting by in natural order. So here let me tell you, let me validate sorted EMP list. Let me print it quickly. See, we got employee ID 800, then 1000, then 1200, like so. We got the employee list here in ascending order, not a descending. We got the here employee list in ascending order by salary, but we want in descending order. So here we need to inform to our sorted method, I want result in descending order. So with this we will get the descending order list by salary. Okay, let me, for more visualization, let me copy it, let me add it, let me to, so this is the first, then oh sorry, then this, then this. So I think we got the expected answer as per the PPT. Yeah, so employee ID 9 come first, 3, then 1, then 8. So employee ID 9 come first because employee has maximum salary. Okay, so we are good with the first step. Now from second step, find the first employee from the previous sorted list. Okay, so we need to here so here we need to get the find first. Okay, find first. So find first employee. So if we find first, so for this step we have this answer. Okay, let me copy it properly. Copy this for this step. We got this, and from this, okay, in the answer we want the who has a maximum salary, means we don't need to send the list of employee. We want a single employee who has a maximum salary. So here no need to collect into result, just for demonstrate I shown you how that sorting is coming there. Okay, so for this step we got this answer, and from this we need to find the first employee. Okay, and for this step first employee, then we need to collect into get result and this, and for this step is get employee. Find first is I think already okay. I think get only. Why we are getting error here? Because here we assign the list of employee, but here as part of this step we will get the single employee, not a list of employee, because in the question also they want the single employee who has a maximum salary. EMP max salary. So from this step we are fetching first employee only. This step we will get this answer, and the same we are passing to next step. So here let me print this, let me run it. We expect employee ID1 who has a maximum salary, and that salary is 1500. Cool, we got the expected answer. Let's match with the, yeah, this is the answer. I think you are super clear. So here you need to understand one thing. So for sorting we need to inform to our comparator I need a sorting on the basis of particular field. In earlier predefined data type, no need to inform to a sorted method, because in predefined data type itself is a single data type, but custom data type always have multiple field. Okay, so here we need to inform to sort it. For custom data type we need to inform on the basis of what you want sort. So here we inform to sort method I want sorting on the basis of salary. Okay, that's the reason we added here. And you know, comparator always helpful. So if you want sorting on the basis of different field, better to go with the comparator, not the comparable. So if you don't know how in what scenario comparator we need to use, in what scenario comparable use, so that is itself is a big topic. If you want more clarity, please let me know in the comment. I will try to create a detailed video and share with you guys. Okay, let's jump to next question. How to find the employee whose salary is the second highest salary? Okay, question again is more little tricky. So here the employee given employee list would be same. So question is very similar like a previous question. Here how to find the employee whose salary is the second highest salary. In the previous question the ask was highest salary. In the now this question the ask is second highest salary. So I think the solving approach of this question and previous question would be same. So here again the same way we need to get the employee descending list by salary only as part of first step. In the second step in the question asked is second highest salary. So in the second step we can remove the first highest salary employee. Okay, that is the employee ID 9 who has the highest salary, that is 15,000. And from this once remove, then from the remaining list we can find the first employee with the help of find first intermediate operation. Okay, and so in the answer we expect employee ID 3 would be the result. So jump to IntelliJ ID. I think we can copy as it is this, because the question is very similar. At one place only change is needed. Find the employee who has a second maximum salary. Employees second max salary. Let me print it. So till this point our logic is same. Now here we need to add one more step. Okay, so we need to skip first highest employee, because in the question asked is we want second highest employee. So we need to skip first highest employee. So here as part of this step I will get result like this. So from this, with the help of this expression, I will remove this employee ID 9 will not have in the result. So as part of this step, now we have only 3 employee, and from 3 employee we are finding the first employee, and that would be our employee ID 3. This would be our employee ID 3. And from this the same we are passing to next step, because with the for find first we will get the optional. Okay, so for optional I apply the get method to get the actual object. Okay, so I think you already aware what is optional. Optional is something to check whether, means optional is a container which maintain the value. Okay, if value is present then we can get the value. If value is not present then it will return the something empty kind of thing. Means optional we use in Java. Optional we got one feature as part of Java 8 which to check null checking and all that. Okay, we can avoid the null pointer extraction with the help of Java optional. So let me validate. If you don't know like how the optional work, what is optional, please let me in the comment. I will try to create a video on that as well. Okay, so employee ID 3 has a, so in the answer employee ID 3 who has a second highest salary. So we got the expected answer. I think you are super clear how to solve such custom data type question with a stream programming. Okay, jump to next question. How to sort employee with name and then department. So question is straightforward. First we need to sort the given employee list on the basis of name. So in the given list, employee ID 1 is employee name to employee 1, employee ID 3 name is EMP1, employee ID 8 is EMP3, employee ID 9 is EMP4. So we need to sort on the basis of name. That is the second parameter of our constructor. So on the basis of name, first we need to sort, and then we need to apply sorting on the basis of department. So here you need to understand why two sorting. If employee ID, if multiple employee having same name, then department sorting will get apply. If multiple employee ID having same name, then only department sorting will have importance. Otherwise it will not reflect, because if multiple employee, see employee ID for all will have unique name, then department sorting will not apply, because so in employee ID 1 and employee ID 3 having same name. So here you will finding some changes when we apply department sorting. Let's see step by step, you will get more clarity in the presentation itself. So let's sort the EMP list with the field name employee name first. So whatever available given list, the same we got the result like this for this step, because employee name already sorted in the given list as well. Okay, now so employee ID 1 and employee ID 3 has a employee name is same. So here you will find the change in next step. Once we apply department sorting in this list. Okay, let's see. So apply employee department field sorting on the above list. So once we apply, so employee ID 3 come first and employee ID come later. Okay, because employee ID 3 and employee ID has the same name, so after apply department field sorting, it swapped. Because why swap? Because sorting get apply on the basis of ASCII value, because string character, if you apply sorting in the basis of ASCII value, because C has a less ASCII value as compared to I. So C come means employee ID 3 belong to CS department, and employee ID 1 belong to IT department. So employee ID 3 is a CS department, so C come first. C has a less ASCII value as compared to IT department. So C come first and IT comes later. So in the result we expect like this only. Okay, let's go to IntelliJ ID and solve this question. So here you need to understand, guys. Okay, if multiple employee name has the same employee, then only department field sorting will have importance. Otherwise, it will be a same like. Okay, it will be a same result. Okay, let me add sort the employee with name and then department. Okay, so convert EMP list into stream, then we need to apply sort. So it is a custom data type. Okay, so we need to tell to our sorted method sort the employee on the basis of what? On the basis of comparing. It takes string data type. So as per the question, first we need to sort on the basis of name. So employee object, then here we need to provide name. Once we sort it on the basis of name, then okay, here again we need to apply then comparing. Again we need to sort on the basis of comparing, again employee ID, then get department. Then once we do that, then we need to collector to list. So here okay, so let me tell you. So as part of this, on the basis of name, so we'll get the result like this. Let me add this as part of this step. As part of this step, we will get result like this. So employee ID 1 come first, then again this employee ID 3 will come at second place, and employee name 3, EMP name 3 come first, EMP 1 like this step. Now as part of this step, then comparing on the basis of the department. So here as part of this step, employee ID 1 and employee ID has the same employee name. Okay, so as part of this statement, it will sort on the basis of department, and in IT department should come after the CS department, because CS later come first, means CS later come before I. So here swapping will need it. I think you are super clear. Okay, so we expect the result like this. Okay, let me collect this. Let me collect this EMP sorted emp list with name and department. Let me print it. Let me see we got the expected result or not. Let me do this here. See. Okay, so first, second and third. So employee ID 3 come at first place, employee ID 1 comes second place. So we got the expected answer. Okay, so I think you are super clear. These are the little tricky questions, how to sort a custom employee using sorted method, and how we apply then comparing and all that. So you need to understand. Okay, so these are the tricky question, and generally such question asked to experienced candidate only. Now jump to next question. How to find highest paid employee in each department? Now question is more tricky. Now here ask is, we need to find the employee who has a maximum salary in each department. So if you see, so we need to find here each employee maximum, each employee who has a maximum salary for each department. So like in first step we need to get the list of all employee. Okay, and as part of second step, in CS department who has the maximum employee salary, that you need to find. Just like in IT department who has a maximum salary, that also we need to find out. So as part of result we expect like this: find out the maximum salary employee of each department. So in the answer we expect like this: CS department employee ID 9 has a maximum salary, and that maximum salary is 1500. In IT department employee ID 1 has a maximum salary, and that maximum salary is 1000. Okay, then how we'll solve this question using Java Stream API. Let's go to IntelliJ and let's see. So here let me add comment. Find employee who has maximum salary in each department. Okay, so emp list stream converted into stream, so that we can apply stream functions and all that. Okay, and so in the ask like okay, we need to collect on the basis of okay department. Okay, so we need to collect so so here we need to use collect, we need to group by. On the basis of what group by we need to do? On the basis of department. So here, and collect into collector to list. Let me print the result around this only. Let me print it. Okay, let me print as it is. How it comes, let's see. Okay, collect CS. Okay, so here as part of this result we got something like this, ascending order only. If you comment this, so first employee, second, method. So here we got the department ID list. So as part of first statement we got the list like this. Okay, we got the list of employee in each department. In CS department we have 2 employee. Okay, and IT department we have 2 employee. We got the expected list as per the first step. Now here we need to find the in CS department who has a maximum salary, that we need to find out. Okay, so here again as part of this so from this list we need to find who has a maximum salary. Okay, so let me copy this here and this here. Oh, let me copy this only. Let me print it. So from this list we need to find the maximum employee. So in collector we have a collecting and then from this list we collect and we are doing further operation. Okay, so here on the basis of now here we need to find the who has a maximum salary. So here again we need to pass collector max by on the basis of what? On the basis of salary. So here we need to pass comparator dot comparing double. Why I taking double? Because we need to compare, we need to find the max on the basis of what? On the basis of salary. So here employee get salary and this max by return optional. Not this return optional get. So if optional get means we are getting single employee, not a list of employee, means we are getting employee who has a maximum salary. Okay, so if I print this, let me add some user candy employee department emp max salary. Okay, let me print this. Let's see we are getting expected result or not. Let me, for more visualization, let me add here. Okay, CS in CS department employee ID 9 1500, in IT employee ID 1 who has a 1000 salary. So we got the expected answer. Cool. So I think we solve. Let me see any further question. No. So this way we have solved the Java 8 programming question. So we have solved we apply the Java 8 streaming on predefined data type as well as custom object. So if you are getting any confusion, you are not able to understand any question that we discuss, please let me know in the comment. I will try to answer those I will try to solve your queries. Okay, so just I wanted to inform that I have created the article on Java 8 programming question and solve those questions using Java Stream API and functional programming, and I have added the same link to video description. So I request you to bookmark that article in your local browser, as because I will be keep on adding Java 8 programming question and answer in the same article. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Tech Pro Begin, And next week I am planning to post new Java related videos. So if you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will be notified about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tech Pro Begin. Let's meet in upcoming video.